How about a grown-up take on milk and cookies? Chef Paul Lillakas joins us with a couple of delicious holiday recipes. So nice to see you again.
Nice to see you, Annette.
So what makes this a grown-up take?
Okay, so, who doesn't love milk and cookies? But I wanted to, before I even begin, I wanted to shout out why I was inspired to bring these recipes at all today. And it's because dairy farmers of Ontario, for the last 3 years, have been supporting children's hospitals like Sick Kids and even McMaster here in Hamilton.
Yes.
And supporting families who are spending the holidays in hospital. And this year, they've launched an exciting endeavor whereby everybody can support by texting the milk and cookie emoji to 50555. And for every text, they'll donate $2 to bring some holiday cheer to those families. So I thought, what a good endeavor. And I can contribute with some inspiration.
All righty. So inspire us.
Okay, so like I said, these are for grown-ups. A little more flavor, a little more complexity. So we're going to start with my golden spice cookies. These are a pretty standard butter, sugar, egg based cookie, but I've added some warming spices, so some cardamom and turmeric to give them this beautiful yellow color. And then I've just taken about 2 tablespoon balls, rolled them, and then I'm going to roll them in some coarse sugar. You'll notice I'm not patting them down or anything. And these go into a 350-degree oven for about 13 minutes. And you'll see when they come out, they have this beautiful crackled top. And what's even more exciting is when you crack into them. So when you break into them, they have this dramatic orange center. And they just have a little more flavor than some of the cookies we're used to eating, your shortbreads, your things like that. And they're beautiful. So this is a simple cookie, a lot of flavor, and it pairs beautifully with a cocktail. So for the adult, thank you. For the adult cocktail, what could be better than eggnog? And I'm going to show you a simple shaker eggnog. So this is easy to make. All you need is a martini shaker.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got some ice in there. And of course, it starts with a quality rum. So I'm using Diplomatico Reserva Exclusiva. This is a wonderful Venezuelan rum. It's aged up to 12 years. So it's velvety smooth. It's buttery. It's got toffee notes. So you can imagine how well it pairs here. That's available at the LCBO. I'm going to put in 1 organic egg, some local Ontario milk. I use 2%, and just a splash of also local cream for richness. And I'm going to sweeten this with maple. I love that because it goes beautifully with this rum. It pairs with these cookies. So I thought about all of that. So
that's just maple syrup?
Just maple syrup. And now some cinnamon and nutmeg. Again, warming spices, so you see the tie-in. Yes. And now we're just going to give it a really, really good shake. And you want to shake it well so that it gets nice and fluffy and aerated, and that egg gets distributed. And then we're just going to knock that top off and strain it into our glasses. And you can serve this right away.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Fluffy.
I love eggnog.
It's frothy.
Yeah.
Oh, me too. And there are complicated ways to make eggnog. There are eggnogs where you start by making a custard, but this is a very simple one. It doesn't have to be that complicated, especially if you start with really good quality ingredients. A little bit of fresh nutmeg over top. And this just screams adult, movie night, holidays, treating yourself, and for a good cause.
All for a snack. Okay, so is there a website or something that, again, the text, I guess, is what I should ask
Yeah, you can text the milk and cookie emoji to 50555 to contribute, and you can find these recipes on my Instagram, @Paul Lillakas. I'll share them. You can send me a message. I'll help you through it. Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, that's awesome. We'll get the details up on our website, chch.com. Always great to have you on the show, Paul.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.